Welcome to the ILUMINAR Horticultural Automated Systems Hub, otherwise known as HASH. The first step to automating your garden is to connect one or more lighting hash controllers, which act as wireless base stations for all the sensors and relays you are going to be installing. Unpack the lighting hash controller from its box. Screw in the wireless antenna to the back side. Insert the terminal plugs into the front and plug in the mains adapter just next to them. To attach the temperature probes, simply insert positive and negative connections into the temp terminals in the zone you're looking to monitor, and screw down the wire clamps. To attach lighting fixtures to the controller, simply plug in an RJ11/14 cable to control HID type lighting or an LED to hash cable in order to control LED. Both are available from ILUMINAR or your local retailer. There will be a blue flashing light next to the AC power cord, which means the unit is ready to attach to a network. If not, press the setup button. You're now ready to connect your controller to the app. Download and install the app from the iTunes or Android store. Once the app is installed, you can now create your hash account. Now follow the on-screen prompts to locate and attach your controller. Please note that the Hash app requires that your phone's location services, or GPS, and wireless connectivity, or Wi-Fi, are both switched on whenever you use it. If you can't connect for any reason, check that both of these services are switched on and reset your controller to re-establish the connection. Once you're connected to your controller, follow the on-screen prompts to attach the controller to your wireless network. You are now connected and can configure the controller, adding a name, geographic location and time zone in order to allow the systems to work with an accurate schedule. Make sure you save all your selections before finishing to return to the main screen. To configure your attached fixtures for full sunrise and sunset functionality, select Settings from the main screen, then Configure Modules, and choose your controller from the list. The module details screen has lots of functionality. It allows you to hide the module from the devices screen, set zone temperature baselines, and attach any 0 to 48 volt wired device to either of two of the relay circuits, one per zone. You can customize each zone's name and enable dimming by telling the controller what fixtures are being controlled. And make sure you save each new setting before exiting to the main screen. As mentioned, the lighting hash controller can control up to 500 fixtures per zone, depending on the type of light fixture used, with additional child controllers added to first as a parent, enabling an almost infinite amount of lights to be controlled through the same hash ecosystem. To add another controller, simply repeat the previous steps. Then, to switch between the units, select the controller menu at the top left of the main screen and select the controller you want to use from the drop-down list. Now your controller or controllers are attached, you can use all the functionalities of this main unit. But to get even more out of the hash ecosystem, make sure you attach environment sensors and relay power cords in order to monitor your garden and automate any equipment with an electrical plug.